Recently, we've been fortunate enough to obtain some real-world battery statistics for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. These results are genuinely surprising, and we've conducted not just one or two, but three different battery tests. Stick around as we'll delve into all the details. Firstly, a fellow YouTuber by the name of Z undertook a comprehensive battery life test. He pitted the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra against some strong competitors like the Pixel 8 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and even the older Samsung S23 Ultra. This test included various apps such as YouTube, Facebook, a demanding racing game named Asphalt 8, and a rigorous benchmark called 3D Mark. The outcomes of this test might just leave you astonished, or perhaps they align with your expectations. Although both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the older S23 Ultra sported 5,000 mAh batteries, the S24 Ultra outperformed its predecessor, lasting nearly 11 hours compared to the S23 Ultra's 8 hours and 10 minutes. This remarkable improvement can be attributed to the S24 Ultra's superior chipset and finely tuned software. Interestingly, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, despite having a smaller battery, managed to last 10 hours and 20 minutes in the test, although it fell short of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's worth noting that the iPhone's battery is approximately 11% smaller than that of the S24 Ultra, yet its efficient battery utilization allows it to endure just 5% less time. Furthermore, the Pixel 8 Pro among these flagship phones exhibited the shortest battery life at 10 hours. It's important to highlight that all three of these flagship devices, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and Pixel 8 Pro, have showcased significant advancements in battery life when compared to their older counterparts. For everyday use, most users may not discern a substantial variance in battery longevity. However, the battery tests conducted by ZTechCare didn't delve into specifics such as the overall health of the batteries, screen resolution, or refresh rates, all of which can significantly influence battery life. Nevertheless, it's evident that all three of these phones offer commendable battery performance, making them reliable choices for users who prioritize battery life when selecting a phone. In addition to ZTechCare's test, another battery life assessment was conducted by TechDroider. This test involved a series of activities including gaming, video streaming, browsing, and camera usage. The results differed from the previous test, adding another layer of intrigue. The iPhone 15 Pro Max emerged as the victor, with an impressive endurance of 10 hours and 48 minutes despite its smaller battery size in comparison to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra lasted for 10 hours and 6 minutes in this test, whereas the Pixel 8 Pro exhibited the shortest battery life, lasting 8 hours and 44 minutes. It's essential to consider factors such as high-resolution displays, chipset efficiency, and battery capacities when assessing these results. As if that weren't enough, a third test was conducted by Tom's Guide, focusing on internet browsing over a 5G network with the screen brightness set to 150 nits. In this evaluation, the Galaxy S24 Ultra once again demonstrated its prowess by enduring for an impressive 16 hours and 45 minutes. This was a significant improvement over its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which lasted 12 hours and 22 minutes in a similar test. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, although performing admirably, fell short of the Galaxy S24 Ultra by almost 3 hours, with a duration of 14 hours and 2 minutes. Meanwhile, the Pixel 8 Pro lagged behind with a battery life of 10 hours and 3 minutes. The remarkable improvements in battery life exhibited by the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra can be attributed, in part, to its efficient chipset, well-optimized software, and its spacious 5,000 mAh battery. Additionally, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in the S24 Ultra, which claims to be 25% more efficient than its predecessor, has played a significant role in achieving these remarkable battery results. In an exciting development, Samsung has announced that several camera features from the Galaxy S24 will be made available for existing Galaxy phone models. These include enhancements to the single-take feature, which now allows users to select a zoom level before taking a photo, even utilizing a 5x optical zoom. The camera can also recognize pets, making it easier to capture high-quality photos and videos of animals. Moreover, motion photos can now be used to create long exposure-like effects similar to live photos on iPhones. These improvements, alongside the ability to add estimated color to black and white or grayscale images, high-resolution video support, and cross-device video editing on Galaxy tablets and laptops, are set to enhance the camera capabilities of older Galaxy models. In conclusion, these battery tests and camera feature upgrades illustrate that Samsung continues to push the boundaries of smartphone technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's exceptional battery life, combined with improvements in camera features, positions it as a formidable contender in the smartphone market. These findings offer valuable insights to users seeking devices with robust battery performance and advanced camera capabilities. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, The Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.